Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to sanitize your tubes before use and after. Right now, I'm just placing the tubes in a little tub. I did get this tub from the 99-cent store for about $1. And I'm just going to be pouring some hot water all over it. So this is boiling hot water. I do not use water from the pipe or anything like that. The tubes did get stuck together, but that's okay because they did come apart as soon as I put some cold water in there. I do not use soap prior to using the tubes because if it's not washed properly, then you will have a problem. So yeah, I just use hot water and that should be good enough. After leaving the tubes in the hot water for like 5 minutes, I did add some cold water in order for me to actually put my hands in there because it was way too hot. And the tubes do not melt. Just add some cold water and you will be fine. I'm going to be placing some paper towels down. I always use foil first just in case the counter is a little bit wet. I don't want, I don't like that, period. So I always place foil on the counter first and then put on some tissue. And then I'm just going to place the lip gloss tubes on there. So this is how I wash my tubes after. I use Ajax and it does say it strips grease, so that's why I use it basically, and it works perfectly fine for me. And I just pour some into some hot water. This time I use tap water. And yeah, I'm just going to mix that around until I feel like it's enough, and I'm just going to be pouring the lip gloss tubes in there. So before washing the tubes with some soap and water, I actually use some 91% alcohol and wipe off all the lip gloss on the tubes first. And I did get this from Walmart. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but I do that first and then pour it in there because I find that using alcohol doesn't always work. So I always wash it off with soap and water after. Before pouring the tubes in the soap water, make sure you close them properly because if any water get in there, then you will have a problem. So make sure that it is tightly closed before pouring it into the soap water. I literally rub my lip gloss tubes together to get the lip gloss off. I do the most. You don't have to do this. You could just move it around in the water and then it will work perfectly fine the same way. But I just like to make sure because I don't like that sticky feeling on the lip gloss when I am packaging it. So I do the most. So I literally had 2 containers of lip gloss. Now I'm down to one. So this is what I'm just going to be pouring the lip gloss into after wiping them off with a paper towel. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah.